welcome back to my next video about polynomial. Today I will discuss introduction of polynomial of class 9th, and I hope all students to understand this chapter with the help of some example. And let's see, with the help of example we discuss firstly about terms. What is terms and how can you explain this value? Then, like as some example, 2x. 2x, this is the value of two terms. Like as two terms, no, that's the value of the first term, but some conditions like 2 will be constant and x will be variable. Now, what is constant and what is variable? Then constant is a numerical value. It having numerical value. It means to say that any constant having numerical value, like as example 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. And now next condition, variable. What is variable and how can you explain variable? Then it having alphabetical value, it having alphabetical value. It means to say that this value will be changeable but constant is not changeable. Like as example A, B, C up to so on, x, y, z. That means to say that with the help of constant and variable are made of terms. It means to say that constant is value is not changeable but variable will be changeable. Now we are discuss to the main point about polynomial. What is polynomial and how can you explain about polynomial? Then polynomial is a part of terms, but without terms each polynomial has not possible. Then we are discuss to polynomial, what is polynomial and how can you explain. It means to say that it contains chain of terms. It contains chain of terms and it having power of whole number. It means to say that, like as example, then 2x square plus 3x plus 2, this is the example of polynomial. And some other example, 2x plus 3, this is the example of polynomial also. But main condition to follow them, this is the power whole number and this is the power is whole number. It means to say this is the polynomial. Without whole number power, each expression is not polynomial. Then firstly condition कि every polynomial has power of whole number. It means to say, then some other example, 2x to the power half plus 3. This is not a polynomial because its power is rational number and its fraction value. So this is not a polynomial, but whole number power has polynomial. Then now next condition, types of polynomial. Types of polynomial, any other types of polynomial, like as types of polynomial. Types of polynomial, we are discussed to first types of polynomial is monomial. Monomial, it having only one term. It's having only one terms. like as example 2x square, 3x, comma 5x cube. We see that this is the first term, this is the first term, and this is the first term. What is first term? What is second term? What is third term? Now we understand with the help of some example. 2x square. Why it is the first term? Because why it is the first term? Because 2 into x square. Both digits having product of this value, but not product. This is the value of plus with the help of plus sign. Then this is the second term. First and second term, it means to say that this is the binomial. And now first condition is a polynomial and second condition is binomial. Binomial is the second types of polynomial. It's having two terms. It's having two terms, like as some examples is 2x plus 3 and 3x square plus 2. Same sequence, and the third terms is trinomial. Trinomials is the third part of polynomial. It's having three terms. It's having three terms, like as some examples 2x square plus 3x plus 2, and other example 3x cube plus 2x square plus 3. First, second, third, this is the trinomial. First, second, third, this is the trinomial. Then last is a polynomial. Polynomials, it's having more than three terms. It's having more than three terms. It means to say that every polynomial has more than three terms, like as 3x to the power 4 plus 4x cube plus 3x square plus 2. It is the polynomial. Then types of polynomial. Then now in short we are discussed about that monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial are also polynomial, because monomial is a part of polynomial, binomial is also part of polynomial, and trinomial is also part of polynomial, and polynomial is a polynomial. So we can say that this is the types of polynomial. And main topic is with the help of some example to understand that polynomial, it contains chain of terms. It means to say that every polynomial has chain of terms. Then to understand types of polynomial, it is the very important part of view of examinations. Then we are discuss NCERT exercise 2.1, 2.2, 2.3 each other. One by one questions and example, we discuss them. Then now start to the exercise 2.1. Before some examples to understand. Before example, we are discuss degree of polynomials. Degree of polynomials, main important part of polynomials. So these are divided in three parts. Firstly, linear polynomial. Linear polynomials, first part of degree of polynomial. But what is degree of polynomial? Degree of polynomial degree is the highest power of polynomials. It means to say that degree is the highest power of polynomial. Polynomial has highest power, it is called degree. It means to say that each expression has highest power of polynomial. Highest power of expression is called degree. It means to say that linear polynomial, like as example, it has 1 degree. It has 1 degree. It means to say 2x plus 3. It is the example of linear polynomial. Why? Because it has only 1 degree. Okay? And second part is linear polynomial and second part is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. It is second part of degree of polynomial. Some example: 2x square plus 3x plus 2. It has highest power is 2, then quadratic polynomial. And third is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial, it means to say that some example to understand that 3x cube plus 2x square plus 3 x plus 2. Then this polynomial has highest power is 3, so it is called cubic polynomial. Is that clear? Then degree of polynomial is divided into 3 parts. Firstly, linear polynomial, it has only 1 degree, and second is quadratic polynomial, it has 2 degree. Yeah, highest power is 2. And third is cubic polynomial, it has highest power is 3. So it is degree of polynomial. Now we will discuss about degree with the help of some examples, like as example is find the degree of each of the polynomials given below. It means to say that find out the degree of these 3 parts. What is the degree of first part? I will tell you about degree. Degree is the highest power of polynomial. This is the power. This is the polynomial, and highest power is 5. Then degree is 5. And this is the polynomial, and degree is highest power will be 3. Then degree is 3. And what this is the polynomial. What is the degree of this polynomial? It can be written as 2 into x to the power 0, because x to the power is 0, so the value is 1. Then 2 into 1, 2 into 1 equals to 2. Then what is the highest power of polynomial? Then 0. Then degree is 0. Is that clear? And now we will discuss about exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1 and question number 1 is exercise 2.1 and question number 1 is question number 1. Which of the following expression expressions are are polynomial in one variable in one variable and which are not and which are not. State reason for your answer. State reason for your answer. Then first part is 4x cube minus 3x plus 7, and second is y square plus under root 2, and third is 3 under root 2 plus t under root 2, and fourth is y plus 2 upon y, and fifth, firstly we will discuss fourth part. Now after that, fifth part. Which of the following expression are polynomial? Which of the following expression are polynomial? These questions, what is polynomial and what is not polynomial? In which? Firstly, what we are conditioned to apply in one variable. Polynomial in one variable. It means to say that whole polynomial has only one variable, not other variable. Whole polynomial has only one variable. It means to say that this is a polynomial because its highest power is whole number, and x whole polynomial has only one variable. It means to say that this is polynomial is one variable. This polynomial is one variable. Now second, this also polynomial, but whole polynomial has highest power is 2, and 2 is a whole number, so this is also polynomial is 1 degree, because this is one variable, not 1 degree, one variable, because it has whole polynomial has one variable. And this is not a polynomial. Why? T under root t, under root 2, under root t means t to the power half, under root t, and it means to say that whole polynomial has only one terms, has minimum only one terms is rational number and fraction, so this is not a polynomial. It means to say that under root t means t to the power half, so it is not a polynomial. And fourth is y plus 2 y inverse, only polynomial. It means I will tell you with the help of definition of polynomial, then every polynomial has power of whole number, not a negative integers and rational and fractions. So it has negative integer power, then this is not a polynomial. Right now, and fourth part is x to the power 10 plus y to the power 3 plus t to the power 50. Whole polynomial has power is whole number, but it has not a one variable. It has three variables. So this is not a right. Is that clear? And now we are discussed to second question is which the coefficient of x square in each of the following. Now find the coefficient of each questions. What is coefficient? Coefficient is a part of any polynomial to the front of side, like as first 2 plus x square plus x, coefficient of x square coefficient underline x square, without plus and minus, it has only front side, no digit, but we are discussed to any digit has not possible, that will be one digit is possible. So coefficient of x square equals to 1, and second is 2 minus x square plus x cube, then coefficient of x square equals to minus 1 with written to with the help of sign. And third is pi upon 2x square plus x, then coefficient of x square equals to pi upon 2, and fourth is under root 2x minus 1. It has no value of x square, so coefficient of x square equals to 0. Coefficient of x square equals to 0 because it has no value of x square. And question number third. Question number third is give one example of each of a binomial. Give one example of each of a binomial of degree 35. It means to say that we have one example of binomial, but it has degree 35. So firstly, this polynomial is binomial. It means to say 2x plus 3. It is a it has two terms, so it is binomial, but degree is 35, so power will be 35. Is the example of first. Now second, and a monomial of degree 100. Monomial means 2x and degree is 100, then 100. So it is the question number third. And question number fourth and question number 5, do yourself with the help of example and to understand exercise 2.1. Now next video we will discuss exercise 2.2. So thank you.